In this video, I'm going to show you how to reveal text on click with PowerPoint animation in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is a great trick if you want to create interactive slides, build suspense, present information step by step, or keep your audience focused on just one point at a time. It works especially well for teaching, business presentations, training slides, and any deck where you do not want all the text showing at once. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the text to appear on click. You can use this effect on a single word, a sentence, a bullet point, or even a full text box. The first thing you need to do is select the text or the text box that you want to animate. Make sure it is highlighted because PowerPoint needs to know exactly which object you want to control with the animation. Once the text is selected, go up to the Animations tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. This is where all of the motion and entrance effects are stored. Inside the Animations tab, click Add Animation. This gives you more control over the effect and lets you apply a specific animation rather than replacing one you may already have. Now you will see a list of animation options. For a clean and simple reveal effect, choose Appear. If you want something a little smoother and more polished, you can choose Fade instead. Both of these are great choices depending on the style of your presentation. Appear will make the text show instantly, while Fade will bring it in gently, which can look a little more professional on certain slides. After selecting the animation, the next step is to open the animation pane. The animation pane is very useful because it shows you exactly how your animations are being applied and lets you fine-tune the timing. Once the pane opens, find the animation you just added. This is where you can control when the text shows up during your presentation. Click on the animation in the pane, then look for the start setting. Change the start option to on click. This is the key step that makes the text appear only when you click during slideshow mode. Instead of showing automatically, the text will stay hidden until you advance the slide or click again, depending on how you are presenting. If you want to reveal multiple pieces of text one by one, you can repeat the same process for each text box. Just select the next text item, add the same animation, and set it to on click as well. That way, each click reveals the next line, which is perfect for step-by-step explanations, quiz answers, or building out your point gradually as you speak. You can also combine this with bullet points if you want each bullet to appear individually. That helps make slides feel more dynamic and prevents your audience from reading everything too early. It also keeps attention on the point you are talking about in the moment. When you are finished, go into slideshow mode and test it out. Click once and your text should appear exactly when you want it to. If it does, then you've successfully created a click-to-reveal text animation in PowerPoint. It's a small effect, but it can make your presentations look much more engaging and professional. If you found this tutorial useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next PowerPoint tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.